Hi everyone, hola, aloha, ta. Take two. Hi everyone, hola, aloha, ciao, salut, ni hao, namaste, ohayo, yagamasima, здравствуйте, привет, bunna, dzień dobry, sziasztok, hello, xin ciao, yabasio, tere, and also salam alaikum, saskreka, marhaban, merhaba. Welcome everyone, my name is Brunel. If you don't know who I am, well you should, the title says it, but never mind, okay. Yeah, it is bright and sunny this Thursday, and I'm trying to think Thursday, Friday, Thursday. All right. It's bright and sunny here in London this Thursday. Temperature is nearly 28 degrees, which is fantastic. Unfortunately for me, side effect, it gets a bit too hot for me, unfortunately, and I get really lethargic and really tired, and I have to go and lie down. What a bummer. But never mind, as per the title, this is the unboxing of Curleebox. Now, I came across this via the queen of unboxing, a beauty box unboxing, that is Sachets. She did upload a video very short, I think probably a couple of days ago. I specifically and deliberately did not look at that video because I wanted to be surprised. Why? Because this is the decider. This is the second box that I've had from them. They do take payments around the 16th or 17th of the month, so be mindful of that, unless that's a mistake for me. But this, yesterday they took a payment out, so I queried it because this is the second box and they've taken that the money. So I can't remember whether it's actually taken money's taken a month in advance or not. You need to query that and double check. But it comes around £23.99 or £23.95 inclusive of postage. And it is really about curly hair and hair products. Now there is actually one product, although the other from the box that I had last time, I've not used the other products simply because I'm going to give them away to someone. But I've taken one which was the gel control, edge control one that they had. I do use that actually now rather than using Got to Be Glued for my wigs, unless I'm going to be out for a very long time. So it's very handy. Now, enough chatting. I'm just going to now unbox this. And genuinely, I have no idea what's inside because, of course, you'll be able to see that everything is still wrapped nicely, just to show you, like so, boom, boom, boom. Okay, so starting with the first one, it's got the card here, Curleebox April 2018, of course, that is the year that we're in. So it's got a list of information here and items. Ooh! No, that's not the one I wanted. I'm getting ahead of myself. I just seen something on a card that I wanted, and I wanted to see. So, by the way, I'm not sure what the prices are, but during editing, I'll try and put the prices up so you have a look for yourself and decide whether you want to go ahead or not. Why am I ripping this up? Well, I'm ripping it up anyway. So, this is the Eco Olive Oil, Shea Butter, Black Castor Oil, Flaxseed. That's actually, I wanted this actually, which is really good. So, yeah, Eco. Yay! I wanted this. And in here comes, how much is in here? Let's see. Oh, God. I have no idea. I'll put it up there during editing again. So, yeah, I'm not sure how much this one is. Let's have a look if it says here. Right, Eco Style Gold Gel. Everything your hair needs in one styling gel, olive, flaxseed and castor oil with shea butter to moisturize, protect and repair hair. Now actually there's a big thing going on YouTube at the moment for those of you who do hair stuff. I'm not too sure if this is the same one because there's a new one as well which is moisturizing. It might be this, so I'm not too sure. I'll double check. This might be an old one, but I think this is the one that's people are reviewing and actually loving. So maybe I'm right, maybe I'm wrong. Either way, I actually wanted one of these, so it's fantastic. So yeah, so that's the first item. Great, very happy with that so far. Very happy. And this one here, woo, Cream of Nature. That's this one. This is definitely a full-size item. 326 grams or 11 ounces, 11.5 ounces. And it says here, moisture replenish and strengthening mask. Lovely, fantastic for those you know, wash days. Strengthens and helps to prevent frizz. Super slip detangler. Ooh, perfect for my daughter. No sulfate, no mineral oil, which is great. I love the more natural the stuff, the better for me. Also, this is perfect for something that I've got things that stacked to the bottom of it. This is perfect for my daughter who has got curly hair. She's menstruated, so has got kind of hair that needs to be brushed out every night. Otherwise, it gets tangly as hell and she hates having it brushed, but she wants it out all the time. So you can imagine, not a good combination. So she needs a lot of moisturizing and detangling. Perfect. And actually, let me just smell it and see what it smells like. As they smell... Okay, be careful when you open this. It's a little bit messy and yeah, okay. Oh dear, oh dear. Oh, oh, chocolate. What is that smell? Oh, ooh, that smells pure honey. Oh, I think I can smell honey in there. It smells like something. Oh, this is so nice. Yeah, sorry. I live a boring life. Okay, but it smells beautiful. Let's go into that. I don't know what they call it. You know when people whisper, which I think is a pain in the ass, because I listen to that and I just get a switch of things of, it's absolutely beautiful. It smells sumptuous. It is really, really sweet and so good for the palate. Not for me. Okay, next item. Ooh, this looks like a drink. Okay, what is this? I think it's from the same brand. Yes, it is. Creme of Nature. Again, pure honey. Not away leave-in. Ooh, very handy. I'm liking this so far. Controls the frizz and untangles. Smooths and softens. Locks in moisture. Perfect, I bet, for when your hair is kind of damp. You obviously have taken as much moisture as possible while the hair's damp. Put it in there. If you've got someone with curly hair, best time to apply leave-in stuff like this is when you've actually made sure all the water is out of the hair, but the hair's still damp. Put it in there, finger comb it, leave it alone, and it is perfect, good to go. Believe you me, I know, my child. So this is so nice. And again, less pure honey, rich coconut oil, creamy shea butter that's in there, sulfate and mineral oil free. Yeah, this is, oh, should I? I'm feeling a bit, oh, I love that. Okay, let's move on. All right then. Other items, these look like, okay. Keracare, yes, definitely. These are great. These are not actually on the card itself, so there must be like a little, you know, extra. And deep moisturizing mask. These are fantastic for hair treatment, so I am very happy with that. So yeah, fantastic. So honey sheer co-wash. So for your co-wash, this one, Keracare, fantastic. Natural and textures. Okay, fantastic. 2 little sachets. And then of course you've got, last but not least, again from the same company, Creme of Nature, pure honey moisturizing dry defense. So conditioner for dry dehydrated hair, which is fantastic. And let's have a look at what it says. Oh, do you know what I just realized? The last bit that I read was for this one. Okay, this one, yeah, the Detangler, yeah, smooths the cuticles and removes knots, helps to repair and restore moisture, instantly detangles. This is the one, this is the Not Away Leave-In Detangler. That's what I should have read. And this one is the conditioner, which is the controls frizz, it untangles, smooths and softens, locks in moisture. All right. Sorry. Okay, that's my lot anyway. So I think I actually love this. So far, I'm very happy with both items. They come in super, super handy. It means that I no longer have to go out and buy other stuff for my daughter's hair. She needs it. I literally condition her hair every day more than I would shampoo, because the shampoo doesn't do much for her hair, and I have to be very careful what kind of products I use for her hair. For example, afro hair stuff, too heavy for her hair, leaves it really kind of limp and greasy, and European stuff, too light and leaves her hair all frizzy and mad looking. She looks like a rat nutcase. So I always have to try new products out. So these ones look very, very promising. If nothing else, I'm throwing away the box. The smell is gorgeous. If my hair smelled like that, I'll be on a train and you know someone will be like sniffing. Don't be surprised. All right. But thank you very much as usual for watching my video. I think I'm going to keep going with this actually. I'm definitely happy with the 2 boxes so far, so it is well worth it based on the kind of type of products that I've had so far. As to the true value of all the items in the box and whether how much more they're worth more than £23.95 that I spend on them, I'm not too sure, but actually I am quite happy with these products, and they come in super handy for both my daughter and my hair. I cannot wait to use them. Thank you very much for watching my video, and if by the way you're interested in this makeup look, just comment and let me know, and I will obviously try and recreate it. It was just on a whim that I created this. And before I do leave, of course, starting my shout out. The first person I'm going to do a shout out to is Tina Mefta. Yes, 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 you Tina. I love me some Tina. She's always commenting on my videos, and she does have you know, comments quite a lot, puts a long comment. Don't you start changing that now, Tina. I'm not complaining. Thank you very much. I'm very happy with those. I very much look forward to reading her messages. She is so lovely. It feels like literally I'm talking to one of my mates, and I really, really like that about her. And she's so supportive, and you guys are so supportive as well. But thank you very much, Tina. You have been here for quite a while, and you do take the time to comment and to, you know, put in a lot more information, and I love reading your messages. I think they are lovely, so thank you. Okay, see you guys soon. Bye.